Let's see how to make an iPad holder out of paper. In the first step, take a thick sheet of paper or card material. Now fold it in half from top to bottom to add firmness. Then press along the fold to make a sharp edge. In the next step, open the fold and bend both corners towards the middle to create a triangle. Later, make sure both sides match up evenly. Then press the folds down so they stay in place. In the next step, lift a small portion from the bottom to make a stand. Next, check that it is strong enough to hold weight. Later, test it by putting an object to see if it stays balanced. In the next step, use scissors to snip a small opening where the device will rest. Next, keep the opening wide enough for the device to fit but not too loose. Later, smooth any rough parts so it looks neat. In the next step, tweak the folds to make it more stable. Now, put your tablet into the slot to see if it stays. Then use tape to secure any areas that feel weak. You are good to go.